In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sum a column in Smartsheet. By the end, you'll know how to quickly calculate totals without doing any manual math, which is great for budgets, inventory tracking, or keeping project data clean and accurate. Let's get started. Open Smartsheet in your browser and navigate to the sheet where you want to do the calculation. If your sheet doesn't have any numbers yet, add a few sample values to a column so you can see the result right away. You can use simple numbers like 10, 20, or 30 in any column you prefer. This quick setup helps you visualize exactly what the formula does before you use it on real data. Now choose where you want the total to appear. Most people place the total at the bottom of the same column, so it's easy to find, just like a total row in a traditional spreadsheet. Click the cell where you want that total to live. With that cell selected, start building the formula. Type an equal sign, then the word sum, and press the Tab key. That tells Smartsheet you're entering a formula and helps you fill in the function correctly. You'll see the function ready for a range. Next, select the numbers you want to add. Click the first cell in your column, then hold the Shift key and click the last cell in the range. Smartsheet will automatically highlight everything in between. This is especially helpful if you have a long list and don't want to drag your mouse down the entire column. You'll notice Smartsheet inserts the selected range into the formula for you. Take a quick moment to double check that it includes all the rows you want. If something's missing or extra, you can adjust the selection before you finalize it. When the range looks right, press the Tab key again to complete the formula. Your total will appear instantly in the cell you selected. If you change any of the numbers later, maybe you update a price or correct a quantity, the total recalculates automatically. There's no need to redo the formula, which keeps your sheet consistent and saves time. Here's a quick recap to reinforce the steps. Open Smartsheet, add or verify your numbers, pick the cell for your total, type equals sum, press Tab, select your range using a shift click from the first to the last cell, then press Tab again to finalize. That's all it takes to sum a column in Smartsheet like a pro. If this tutorial helped, give it a like, drop your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more easy, helpful walkthroughs. Thanks for watching.